What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. And today's quick episode, we're just going to cover and ask the question to you guys about should DD buy Stradman's Bugattii Veyron? If you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do check out my other videos. Do get involved, smash the subscribe button, comment. I do bring up your comments every Sunday as well. I do read them out. Smash the like button and hit me up on my Instagram as well if you want to give me a follow, or my DMs are always open. If you have any stories or stuff you want to tag me in, do indeed as well. And yeah, we'll just jump into this quick video straight away. So I like to do these kind of shorter videos, guys, just, you know, if I'm busy or something, and I just feel it's better for you guys as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. So they obviously made their video looking at Stradman's Bugattii Veyron on eBay and tried to put in a bid. Obviously they couldn't because eBay was being an absolute fucking jerk. And they were discussing how much they pay for it with Ray from SR Auto Group. And I mean, should they buy it? Me personally, there's a lot of grumblings. I read comments down below and a lot of people aren't happy. Me personally, I don't think they should. Like, what I can't understand is if they were thinking about getting the Veyron, what would be the difference in the insurance of the P1 that they had to the Veyron? That's a big question. Well, I'm not getting why now they can go for a Veyron. So while they're going to be in the same class, I feel, well, somebody can answer below if you feel like in Canada they're going to be in the same class of insurance. So what's the difference going back to the P1 again? I would love to see them go back to the P1, but they did say like the max they would around spend is 1.2. So maybe they couldn't afford the P1 at that time. I'm not too sure, but I don't think they should get the Veyron. I mean, they have a good selection of cars. They have sold off now. The Squadra Corse is gone and a few others. I had a look on Auto Tempest just to have a look, and around the 1 million to 1.2 million mark, you're looking at like a 4 GT and 599 GTB. Like, car prices are gone fucking crazy all over the world, and like a 599 GTB 2011, $1 million. Like, I think they were going to maybe 650, not even 550 a year and a half ago. It's absolutely nuts. So let me know, guys, what car you would want them to buy for around 1.2 million in the comments below. For me, probably be the 4 GT. Ideally, my number one car always would be the P1, but sure, all the cars have gone up in price now, so obviously the P1 is well out of their range, I'd say, at this stage. You know, and obviously they've been talking about going back to the States as well. They're getting ready for that and to bring down their cars, see what shenanigans they get up there. Obviously be fucking nuts when they go back. They're just going to wreck the place. But I don't know, Stradman's Veyron, look, the way I look at it is, as Ray said, he values it around 1.2 million. I would agree. And I think Stradman knows he's reaching for a price, so I think he's looking for 1.35 million for it, and he would bite somebody's arm off because he makes an extra 500,000 off it. But you know, again, I don't think they should. That's just my opinion. I just think it'd be a bad move for them, and to concentrate on doing something different, and that was always good about DD being different as well. But that's just my own personal opinion, guys. So I want to hear from your opinions below. I'll be very, very interested to hear what you have to say about it. Hopefully they don't get it. I mean, look, Stradman's already done this car. Everybody knows this car as well, and it just doesn't make sense that they had a P1 in the same bracket insurance wise and now would be able to do a Veyron. Like, it just doesn't make any sense to me. But if they got a 4 GT, I would not be I would be happy with that. So yeah, guys, that's just my quick video for today. Just my thoughts and opinions on the subject. And yeah, thanks a million if you watched it, and hopefully you will subscribe and smash that like button and do comment below. And I do check out my other videos. They will come up here for you to view also. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.